Trading doesn't have to be complicated, and the ultimate MACD indicator makes it easier than ever to spot trends, make confident decisions, and take control of your trades, even if you're just starting out. This powerful tool uses two simple lines to track market trends. The green line shows how prices are moving. The red line smooths out these changes for a clearer picture. When the green line is above the red, it signals a likely uptrend, bullish. When it's below, the market may be heading down, bearish. To make things even easier, the area between the lines is shaded. Green means the market is trending upward. Red indicates the market is moving downward. Helpful labels like bullish or bearish show you the trend at a glance, while the above zero, which is in cyan color, and below zero, which is orange, highlight the momentum strength. The real game changer is crossovers. When the green line crosses above the red, it signals the market could start rising. A great time to buy. When it crosses below, the market might dip, a signal to sell. These clear visual signals give you precise entry and exit points, eliminating second guessing and helping you make decisions faster. This indicator works seamlessly for all trading styles. Whether you're a day trader focusing on short-term moves or a swing trader analyzing longer trends, you can adjust the time frame to match your strategy. It's fully customizable. With just a glance, you'll know if the market is moving up or down, how strong the trend is, and when it's time to act. Stop overanalyzing and start trading with confidence. The ultimate MACD indicator gives you a simple, reliable system to navigate any market. It's like having a personal guide to show you trends and uncover profitable opportunities. Simplify your trading today. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to get the ultimate MACD indicator and gain access to our full suite of custom tools for the ThinkorSwim trading platform. Don't wait. Start trading smarter now. To see more of our videos and get a deeper understanding of trading indicators for the ThinkorSwim platform, click one of the videos over here.